Getting nothing but the fingers from Mr. McGregor. Conor McGregor arrives at court for speeding charge after exasperated judge threatened to have him arrested when he failed to show. Conor McGregor arrived at court in Dublin on Thursday after the judge had threatened to have him arrested earlier in the day when he failed to show. Furious Judge Miriam Walsh made the order after the 29-year-old UFC champion was absent for the third time over a speeding charge, declaring that she was getting nothing but the fingers from Mr. McGregor. Had he refused to appear, the judge said, a bench warrant would have been passed to the Gardai to arrest him for the purpose of bringing him before the court. He is charged with driving in excess of a 100 kph, 62 miles per hour, speed limit on the N7 Nas Road at Gardai, in Dublin, on March 31 last. Yesterday morning, his solicitor Graham P. Kenny told Blanchardstown District Court that his client was pleading guilty, but that his client had some points to make in mitigation before a final decision is made on any punishment. Judge Walsh said that if McGregor wants to make any case in his defense, he has to be here. The district court judge pointed out this was the third time McGregor had failed to turn up in court, and that she was not prepared to tolerate any further disrespect. She said, "I'm giving him one more opportunity to be here. If he isn't here, I'm going to issue a bench warrant. I'm getting nothing but the fingers from Mr. McGregor." When Mr. Kenny offered to make a phone call and ask him, McGregor, to appear, the judge retorted, "This is like a broken record. He has to be here, and I've said that from the get-go, from the very first day." When Mr. Kenny again invited the judge to deal with the case in Mr. McGregor's absence on the basis that he was pleading guilty, the judge said, "Mr. McGregor will have to be here. I'm sorry, but this is absolute disrespect to the court. I'm very annoyed with Mr. McGregor, the same way I'm annoyed with any other defendant before the court. You can tell him there will be a bench warrant coming in his direction if he's not here." And she added, "You can tell him about my ire in relation to the matter. This is simply a speeding matter." The court was then adjourned, and at some point late in the morning McGregor was spotted rolling up to the courthouse in a BMW sports car. He was wearing a matching pair of green Adidas jogging bottoms and sweatshirt along with white trainers. Last time McGregor's case was before the same court on November 24, his business manager appeared in his place. On that date, Judge Walsh said McGregor must either appear in court himself, or send a legal representative. Under current Irish laws, speeding results in a fine of €80, £70, with 3 penalty points. If that is not paid within 28 days, the fine increases to €120, £105.